Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hand gesture voice assistant using Python. So it will be the integration of the virtual mouse and the chatbot. So let's run the project. It will open the chatbot. Now user can also write and speak the sentence. Okay, I'm controlling the mouse using hand gesture. So let's click on the speak. Whenever you click on the speak, then you have to use two finger. Like whenever you click on any particular button. So let's use the two finger and speak. Hello, how are you? Let's again go to speak button. Please open Chrome. So it will open the Google Chrome. Okay, let's close this Chrome. So this will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.